Hello, my name is Ed Klein with Flaxwood Guitars. We're here at the Winter NAMM Show 2010 in Anaheim, California, and I want to introduce you to Flaxwood Guitars and some of the new models that we have out. Flaxwood Guitars are made in Finland. The company's been around since about 2003, and we're just now beginning to get a market presence in the United States. The guitars are made out of a revolutionary process where they are 100% wood, but they don't suffer from any of the limitations of traditional hardwoods. The manufacturing process uses a spruce composite, which essentially is a goo that's made out of the wood fibers and resins from harvested spruce, which is an easily renewable, very sustainable resource. The entire guitar is made out of the same material, so the goo is then injection molded under very high heat and very high pressure, which squeezes out all the rest of the water and oxygen, which makes these guitars wood that's been re-engineered to be acoustically perfect. They're impervious to humidity. They will withstand enormous changes in temperature without any effect on them. For the traveling musician, they're especially well suited. For instance, you're playing outdoors on a hot August night in Shreveport. You get on a plane, play outdoors on a cold, dry night in Juneau, Alaska. All you have to do is tune the guitar. The guitars come with a truss rod cover, but the only reason that you need it is to set up the action on the guitar the way you like it, one time and you're done. If you change the gauge of your strings, or if you change the bridge on the guitar, or something like that, you may need to adjust it, but otherwise, it's set for good. The guitars are really cutting-edge technology meets vintage tone. So let me introduce you to a couple of the models that we have. This is a new model that we're introducing this year, which we call the Harry Special, which was designed in part by our artist relations, our head of artist relations, Harry Orlov. It is a variation from the standard Flaxwood guitar, but I want to deal with the standard Flaxwood guitar first. All of our guitars come with Godot locking tuners, which are height adjustable, so that you can adjust your string break if you wanted to at the nut instead of down at the bridge. The nut is a space-age material that's patented by NASA, that's a self-lubricating graphite-type nut. The frets are all stainless steel, medium jumbos usually. The bridge on this guitar is a Schaller tremolo, which was originally designed to retrofit a Les Paul, but we use on our guitars. The pickups that we use are Seymour Duncans, and this particular model has a new pickup configuration with a P90 in the neck position and then two high output single coils in the middle and bridge positions. It also has a blend knob, which will allow you to blend in your neck or bridge pickup depending on which setting you have the 5-way switch on. As with all Flaxwood guitars, it's all made out of the same material. It's a glued neck, but it has a very different kind of joint to it. It's almost like a jigsaw puzzle piece that's been fitted in very tightly. And because the entire guitar is made out of the same material, then the resonance is uniform from end to end on the guitar. That's the Harry Special. This is a model that we've actually redesigned for 2010 called the Vasara. In its original configuration, it had EMG 8185 active pickups in it. What we've done is replace those with DiMarzio pickups. In the neck position, it's a Fred, which is a pickup that's used a lot by Joe Satriani, and in the bridge position is a Crunch, which is a high output, made for metal kind of pickup. The rest of the guitar is as it was in prior versions, with the two-piece, two-pneumatic type bridge from Godot and outfitted with black hardware. From all of us at Flaxwood Guitars, thank you very much for joining us today and watching this video. And for further information and to contact us, please visit our website at www.flaxwood.com. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.